I like warblers. They're sometimes called wood warblers. These are small birds that come to our area from Central and South America. They come in a wide variety of colors and they live in a wide variety of habitats. And they come here specifically for our insects. Now my favorite, and it's a real treat to find, is a colorful little jewel, the Blackburnian warbler. The Blackburnian warbler, at least the males, they make a real splash. During breeding season, this black and white bird sports a flaming fluorescent orange throat that's unmistakable. You'll never forget the first one you see. Females, on the other hand, well, they're a drab olive-colored bird, and they're hard to identify. Unfortunately, this bird's song isn't as helpful in identifying it as some other birds are. But let's take a listen. Blackburnians arrive here in May. They prefer mixed evergreen and hardwood forests, more mature forest in particular. Look for them high in the trees. Frankly, you might get a sore neck watching for these birds, but it's worth it. At Valentine Farm, I found them in the hemlock stands that occur on the trails that we have there. So get out there and look for the flaming throat of this dramatic little bird. Thanks for watching.